Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights? Make sure you are signed into an administrator account because changing services requires elevated privileges. Once ready, open Start Type Services, MSC, and hit Enter to open the Services Manager. This gives direct control over the updater. Scroll to find the Windows Update service because that is the core process that triggers automatic downloads and installs. Pause here and check that the service is visible. If the entry is missing, you may be on a managed device and need to review group policy first. You will stop the service first. Click Stop to halt current activity because that prevents immediate installs. Then change Startup Type to Disabled to block automatic starts, or choose Manual if you want to control when updates run. Apply the change and confirm the service status reads Stopped. Once done, close Services. This prevents Windows from automatically starting the update engine at boot. Make sure to restart only if required, and remember that disabling updates increases security risk, so plan a manual update schedule. You can add a secondary safeguard. Set your network as a metered connection or create outbound firewall rules to block update endpoints, which reduces spontaneous downloads. After making changes, reboot and open services to confirm Windows Update remains stopped. That validates your settings. If the service re-enables, check Local Group Policy, GPedit, MSC, or Registry Keys under Windows Update. Administrative policies commonly override local changes. If policies are the issue,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.